control?
Hi, we are Synology. Yeah, so we are a company from Taiwan. Our main product is called a network attached storage NAS. So it's a device that you can create your own personal data center or create your enterprise storage in your company as well. So right now I'll be proudly saying that we are the top one in the world. So no matter in Europe, China, or USA, we in NAS product segment, we are the top one, leading one, and we have sold 6 million NAS all over the world, and millions of the users there right now using our devices to protect their personal data, their precious data, no matter it's for personal or enterprises. Yeah.
What is the purpose of this project for India purpose?
Yeah, actually, today's event, the purpose is that we want to let people understand the NAS concept, why they need to protect the data, how important is their data, okay, and how they can use Synology NAS to protect that. Yeah, so we first want to explain this to all the media. So first, media will be the first one to understand the concept, and we want to leverage the media to pass this message to the Indian customers, Indian people, because that we haven't yet seen the same the people right now in India, they are not recognizing their data's importance like European or US people. Yeah, so that's what we want to do for this event.
Uh, so many social media platforms, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so many things is there in India, but they have not perfect rules and regulation of the privacy of data.
Yes.
Is Synology the perfect thing is that your privacy is secure?
Yeah, I would say that yes, we are. And because first is a NAS, it's a private cloud, which means that all the data is stored in the devices, and devices will be at your home or your office, right? So everything is under your control. So if anything happen, we have the corresponding application to help you to retrieve that or back it up. So no, you don't need to worry about your security of your photos. And we provide like Synology Photos. It's a Synology photo management suite. We provide it with the box. So when you have a NAS, you can have this application freely to download, install on the NAS, and you can enjoy all the features to manage your photos easily. So you don't need to, for example, if I want to find photos from millions of photos, before I need to search one by one, but like we have the quick filters. You can easily ping in different kind of factors like which date, with whom, okay, which location, and you can find the photos.
Second thing is the last question. How much space is provided to you?
How many?
How much space?
Space.
Yeah, in this app. And so what is the app or is the what thing?
Okay. For the space, I would say
Yeah.
when you have a NAS, it's a pool. So no matter what kind of application you are using on NAS, no matter it's for photos, for backup, for synchronization, for visualization, whatever you do, the storage space is coming from the NAS itself. And in the NAS, when we give this product, it's diskless, means that there will be no hard drive with that. So you can choose your own hard drive to put it inside the NAS to decide how much storage space you want. And right now for one drive bay is support up to 16 TB, 16 TB hard drive. So it depends on how many bays you have. For example, you have 5 bays, means that your raw capacity of the storage base will be 5 into 16, which is 80. And we provide the NAS from 1 bay to 180 bays, 180 bays, for it to connect it with Synology NAS. Okay, so we have the corresponding application for them to build out the connections. So NAS will be their central personal data center to store everything. So no matter the data is on the mobile or the NAS or the laptop, they can centralize here. So every time when they want to find the data, they just go to one place, here. Also, if they want to further protect their data on the NAS, what they can do, they can back it up to the either third-party public cloud service or Synology C2 public cloud services. And we also have the application for them. So it is not only a data center, but it's also a data center with cloud protection if if the user need that. And if they are the video logger, audio logger, photo logger, we have the corresponding applications there to help them to make the NAS as a personal media center or family media center. So we have the Synology Photos for photo, video station, audio station, and also download station. Download can help person users to download whatever they want from the internet. So like BitTorrent, they can do that. And if they want to stream those multimedia content to some places like smart TV, the DL and the certified devices, they can also do that because we provide a location this here. So they just download it and use it. Very simple. And another thing is that a lot of people right now, they're using Flash server to stream their videos. Synology also support that as well. So if they are already using Flash servers, they can use NAS in the future as well. So let me ask you a question. What kind of the data you think that personal users they are having the most? What kind of data?
Photographs.
Photographs?
Yeah. Unstructured. Photo will be unstructured.
Yeah, that's right. But it's into a bigger picture, right? Anyone? Okay. Yes, I would say photos as our observation because people right now they always take selfies. I don't know if you are the generation of selfie, but I take a lot of pictures. So just share with you some numbers. More than half of the NAS users, they are using Synology Photo Management Suite. Okay, it's a big number, and there are total 44.6 billion photos stored in the Synology NAS worldwide. We have sold more than 6 million NAS there. Okay, and compared to 2017, the total numbers of photos has increased by 17.6%, which means that either more people start to use Synology NAS to store the photos, or they put more photos into Synology NAS because they think the solution is good. So right now we have two photo management suite, two applications. One is Photo Station, one is Moments. We designed it for professional photographers and home users. So there are two applications. But our target is to improve the experience of the user managing their photo. So we keep doing the survey to understand what kind of feature they want. And we found actually there is no clear segment between professional users and home users because everybody wants all the features together. So in our DSM 7.0, which will be launched next year, is a big update of our operating system. We will make it in one. And this application will have all the features in the Photo Station and Moments mode. And to show you more about the Synology Photo, I would like to share with you one video.